1. In Elasticsearch, what is the default number of primary shards assigned to a new index? A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 10. 2. Which query type in Elasticsearch is used for exact matching of structured data and does not calculate relevance scores? A. Match query. B. Term query. C. Match phrase query. D. Multi-match query. 3. What is the purpose of the source field in Elasticsearch? A. To store the inverted index for full-text search. B. To store the original JSON document that was indexed. C. To store calculated relevance scores. D. To store document metadata only. 4. Which of the following is the correct way to perform a bulk index operation in Elasticsearch? A. Post bulk with alternating action, metadata, and source lines. B. Push bulk insert with an array of documents. C. Post index all with a documents array. D. Put mass index with JSON payload. 5. In the Elasticsearch query DSL, what is the difference between must and should in a Bool query? A. Must is for filtering, should is for scoring. B. Must clauses are required for a match, should clauses are optional but boost relevance. C. Must uses and logic, should uses not logic. D. There's no difference, they are aliases. 6. What is the refresh interval setting control in Elasticsearch? A. How often data is replicated to other nodes. B. How often the index is made searchable for new documents. C. How often the cluster state is synchronized. D. How often documents are flushed to disk permanently. 7. Which analyzer component is responsible for breaking text into individual tokens? A. Character filter. Tokenizer. Token filter. Normalizer. 8. What is the primary purpose of replica shards in Elasticsearch? A. To increase indexing throughput. B. To provide high availability and increase search throughput. C. To reduce storage requirements. D. To enable cross-cluster replication. 9. In Elasticsearch, what does the fuzziness parameter control in a match query? A. The number of results returned. B. The Levenstein edit distance for approximate string matching. C. The minimum score threshold. D. The field boosting factor. 10. Which REST endpoint would you use to check the health status of an Elasticsearch cluster? Status. B. Get cluster health. C. D. Status. 11. What is an Elasticsearch mapping? A. Geographic visualization of data. B. The schema definition that describes fields and their data types. C. A routing table for document distribution. D. A network topology of cluster nodes. 12. Which of the following field data types in Elasticsearch is used for storing exact string values that should not be analyzed? A. Text. B. Keyword. C. String. D. Exact. 13. What is the purpose of the doc values in Elasticsearch? A. To store the original document. B. To enable efficient sorting, aggregations, and scripting. C. To calculate relevance scores. D. To compress document storage. 14. In an Elasticsearch aggregation, what is the difference between bucket and metric aggregations? A. Bucket aggregations calculate values. Metric aggregations group documents. B. Bucket aggregations group documents into sets. Metric aggregations calculate values. C. They are the same thing with different names. D. Bucket aggregations work on text. Metric aggregations work on numbers. 15. Which setting determines how Elasticsearch routes documents to specific shards? A. Key. Partition. Distribution. 16. What is the purpose of the index.number of replicas setting? A. Defines the number of primary shards. B. Defines the number of replica copies of each primary shard. C. Defines the replication factor across data centers. D. Defines the number of nodes that store replicas.
17. In Elasticsearch, what does a nested data type provide that an object type does not? A. Support for arrays. B. Maintaining the relationship between fields within array objects. C. Better compression. D. Faster indexing performance. 18. Which query should be used to find documents where a specific field exists? A. Has field query. B. Exists query. C. Field exists query. D. Not null query. 19. What is the purpose of the _update by query API in Elasticsearch? A. To update the cluster configuration. E. To update documents that match a query without reindexing. C. To update index mappings. D. To update shard allocations. 20. Which of the following is not a valid Elasticsearch node role? A. Master. B. Data. C. Ingest. D. Router. 21. In Elasticsearch, what does field data enable for text fields? A. Full text search capabilities. B. Sorting and aggregations on analyzed text fields. C. Exact match queries. D. Phrase matching. 22. What is the correct syntax for a range query on a date field? A. Range, date, GTE 2024-0101, LTE 2024-1231. B. Between, date, from, 2024-101 to 2024-1231. C. Date range, field, date, start, 2024-1-1, end, 2024-12-31. D. Range query, date, 2024-01-01, 2024-12-31, ... 23. What is the purpose of an Elasticsearch ingest pipeline? A. To route queries to appropriate shards. E. To transform and enrich documents before indexing. C. To aggregate data for reporting. D. To replicate data across clusters. 24. Which API would you use to create an index template that applies to multiple indices? A. Put/template/template name . B. Post/create template temp-template name. C. Put_index template. D. Both A and C are valid depending on the template type.
25. In Elasticsearch, what is a translog? A. Log of all search queries. B. A transaction log that ensures data durability before flush. C. A log of cluster state changes. D. A log of user authentication attempts. 26. What is the minimum should match parameter control in a bool query? A. The minimum number of must clauses that should match. B. The minimum number of should clauses that must match. C. The minimum relevance score required. D. The minimum number of fields to search. 27. Which Elasticsearch feature allows you to define synonyms for search terms? Term expander. B. Synonym token filter. C. Word normalizer. Alias analyzer. 28. What is the purpose of the search after parameter in Elasticsearch? A. To filter results after a specific date. B. To implement efficient deep pagination using sort values. C. To search after an index refresh. D. To continue a failed search operation. 29. In Elasticsearch, what does the copy-to mapping parameter do? A. Creates a backup of the field. B. Copies field values into a specified group field for combined searching. Copies the index to another cluster. D. Copies documents to another index. 30. Which of the following best describes the query string query in Elasticsearch? A. A simple exact match query. B. A parser-based query supporting Lucene query syntax with operators. C. A query that only searches string fields. D. A query for validating string formats. 31. What is the function of the highlight feature in Elasticsearch search results? A. To mark important documents. B. To return snippets with matching terms wrapped in tags. C. To increase the relevance score of matches. D. To filter results by importance. 32. Which command would you use to close an index in Elasticsearch? Post-int index. Bins close. C. Delete index open. Post-index shutdown. 33. What is the purpose of the reindex API in Elasticsearch? A. To rebuild the inverted index. B. To copy documents from one index to another with optional transformations. C. To repair corrupted indices. To resort documents in an index. 34. In Elasticsearch, what does setting index.maxResult window control? A. The maximum size of search results in bytes. B. The maximum value of from plus size for search results pagination. C. The maximum number of concurrent searches. D. The maximum time window for time-based queries. 35. Which aggregation type would you use to calculate the 95th percentile of response times? A. Stats aggregation. B. Percentiles aggregation. C. Extended stats aggregation. D. Top hits aggregation. 36. What is the purpose of the Explain API in Elasticsearch? A. To explain cluster architecture. B. To provide details on how a document's relevance score was calculated. C. To explain index mappings. D. To document API endpoints. 37. In Elasticsearch cross-cluster search, what syntax is used to specify a remote cluster? A. At cluster name index name. B. Cluster name index name. C. Cluster index name. D. Cluster name index name.